There's a very comprehensive configuration setup on the system, which is protected by a 4-digit password. If you get in touch with us, we'll tell you what that password is. So enter the password, press the configure button, enter the password, press enter. This takes us onto our configuration screens, which gives us access to the functionality of the system and how it's set up. So we'd use this if we're setting the machine up as a gas machine or a plasma machine, or specifically for a duct cutting machine, where we'd always run from the same origin, auto load plates, and drive off the plate once we've finished cutting. There's also lots of other stuff in here, and we can configure different plasmas. So if you upgrade your plasma at some point, we can go into the process tab and select a different plasma. So this is number 36, this is set 2, which is in this instance a Jabora CP180 torch. So it's Jabora IQC 130, but we can see there's a big list of different plasma types through all the hypertherm range, thermodynamics as was, Caliburn, etc, etc. So there's quite a range of stuff there, and a bit of Kellberg, etc, etc. So we'll stick with 36 on that, but we can also set up limits, home positions, traverse speeds, all sorts of stuff. And these files are saved on the PC in the data folder. So if you make a copy of the data folder, then essentially you get a copy of the machine's personality. So if your PC does expire at some point, it's simply a case of reloading the software and reloading your data folder, which will then set the machine up for you automatically. If we do ask you to make any changes in here, then what you would do next is you press done. You then press save and exit, then exit back to this start screen here with the moving red line. That will load the new values in when you press the start button. So if you do make any changes in there, then you always have to go back to this screen to reload the data in.